Hello Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Scorpio. For those who have subscribed already po sa channel, maraming salamat. At if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe na po. Thank you. Just so you know, everyday po ako may upload. Kaya watch out for that as well. So, thank you. First message po ninyo, Serenity. Yan, value quiet days with only the rustling leaves breaking the silence. So, this is siguro, ito yung kailangan ninyo sa ngayon. Maybe you are seeking for serenity, for tranquility, for peace. Kasi maaring gulong-gulo na kayo, maaring pagod na kayo. Kaya parang gusto ninyo na makahinga muna, makakailangan mo muna na yung parang mag-expand muna ninyo yung lungs ninyo, yung heart ninyo, parang ganun, para ma-release, no, lahat ng tension ninyo. So, yan ang napipick up ko for some of you, Scorpio. Maybe you are stressed out, hindi lang physically, but mentally and emotionally. Kaya maybe you are seeking for serenity, for tranquility, and peace. So, kayang-kaya ninyong ibigay yan sa sarili ninyo. All you need to do is to step back a little. No? Pansamantala lang, talikuran mo muna kung ano nagpapabisi sa'yo. And ibalato mo na yan sa sarili mo. Magpahinga ka. Diba? Take a breather. So, we have forgiveness. Ayan, so napakaganda rin ito. Isa din ito sa makakatulong na sa inyo na lumuwag ang inyong pakiramdam at mga makahinga ng maluwag, makahinga ng masarap na hinga. Kasi kapag nagpapatawad tayo, 'di ba? We're not doing it for them. No, we're not doing it for the people who have caused us pain, but ginagawa natin yung pag-forgive because we are doing ourselves a favor. Kasi kapag nakapagpatawad na tayo, napakagaan na ng pakiramdam natin. Even if those people who have hurt us, hindi naman humihingi sa atin ng kapatawaran, but the fact na sa puso natin, pinapatawad natin sila, gumagaan na ang pakiramdam natin. 'Di ba? Parang nabubunutan na tayo ng tinik sa dibdib. Kaya maybe this is what you are going to do. Kaya siguro mas magaan din ang inyong pakiramdam eventually. Breathe, slow down, and contemplate the tea. Violets and ivy tangled around the eaves. Breathe, serenity, magkapatid lang yan, magpinsan. So, talagang kailangan na ninyo ngayon na to take a breather. You really need now to step back, no? Nang kahit saglit lang doon sa mga pinagkakabisihan ninyo, and na kailangan mo talaga na magpahinga. Okay? Give it to yourself. You don't need a full day to do that. Pero mas lalo na maganda, 'di ba? If you have the liberty, 'di ba, to take a day vacation or a day na bakasyon na leave sa trabaho, then why not, 'di ba? Pero hindi necessarily, no? Alam mo yung quality sleep lang, power nap, 'di ba? Nako, malaking tulong na 'yan. Kasi always remember, no, na yung during sleep, no, doon lang yung katawan natin nagre-recover from stress, no, during the day. During sleep, doon nagre-recuperate ang katawan natin. Kaya napaka-importante ng tulog. Okay? So, dream, have a cup of tea in the garden, and find yourself in a good book. Ayan. So, continue to dream. No? Continue to dream. Regardless kung anong edad mo, regardless kung anong position mo sa trabaho, regardless kung nasaan ka, kung anong estado mo sa buhay, it doesn't matter. Everyone can always have your dreams, 'di ba? And you can make your dream a reality. Ang mahalaga lang, magte-take ka ng single step para makalapit ka doon sa dream mo. Otherwise, kung hindi ka din magte-take action, edi wala. Yung dream mo hanggang isip lang, hanggang puso mo lang. Kaya mahalaga din, na mas magandang isipin natin na kapag nangarap tayo, gawa natin ng paraan. 'Di ba? Gawaan natin ng paraan. It's never too late, no, to start. 'Di ba? Ano man ang ating pangarap. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa ang mga message para sa inyo. And I would like to say thank you, no, sa mga hindi nag-skip ng ads. Maraming salamat for your support. At sa mga nagdo-donate po sa aking channel, thank you for sending me super thanks. Maraming salamat po. And please like, and please like and mag-comment na din po kayo sa aking channel. Malaking tulong po yan sa akin. Thank you. Your next message po is rainbow blessings. Ayan. Blessings are showering your life. Wow. Napakaganda naman ito, Scorpio. Ang dami-daming biyaya na paparating. Rainbow blessings. Kasi feeling ko dito, sari-sari, no? Samut-sari. Siguro ang paparating na biyaya. Marami, no? And this could be in various areas of life. Iba't ibang area of life ninyo rito, magkakaroon ng biyaya na marireceive kayo. Kaya napakaganda nito, no? This is very, very exciting. So, yun. Kaya continue to be positive, no? Project positivity para nang sa gayon lahat ng positibong pangyayari, lahat ng magagandang sitwasyon, experiences in your life, no, will come sa buhay ninyo. We have Mystic Healer. Healing energy flows through you, Scorpio. Maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito are healers at marami iba't ibang klaseng healers, you know, kaya maaaring ano na to, sign na to, no? Nai-embrace nyo na yung gift ninyo of being a healer. Kasi maaring ito na yung panahon na gamitin nyo na yung powers ninyo na yan to help other people, no? Na nasa paligid ninyo. We have rejuvenating rain, clear the past and heal the present. Ayan. So, siguro, it's about time na for you to move on with your life. It's about time na for you to cut off na, no? I-cut off na ninyo yung sarili ninyo from your nakaraan kasi maybe matagal na tong yung parang matagal na kayong nai-impluwensyahan ng nakaraan ninyo, kaya siguro nahihirapan kayong mag-move on sa buhay, nahihirapan kayong mag-move forward in your life dahil ang lakas pa rin ng impluwensya sa inyo ng inyong nakaraan. Kaya it's about time na for you to clear the past, you know, and head towards change, no, head towards healing para nang sa gayon makapagsimula na kayo ng buhay, ng bagong buhay on a clean slate. Okay? We have crossing bridges. It's time for healing. Ayan. So, healing, connecting, mending, and releasing. So, eto yun, no? Feeling ko related ito dito sa energy na to. So, yun, magsimula kayo from acceptance, no? And forgiveness will come in. And, yun na, mag-heal na kayo. No? So, papunta na kayo dito sa pagbabagong buhay. We have fellow travelers. Support is all around you. Ayan. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Okay? Whenever you need help, whenever you need assistance in any shape or form, always remember na there will be someone, no, that will be willing to help you, to support you, to guide you, whatever it is that you need. Kaya wag kayong magdadalawang isip na humingi ng tulong. When you feel like you need help, no, in any shape or form, wag kayong magdalawang isip na kumatok sa puso ng sino man na alam ninyong matutulungan kayo, and matutulungan kayo ng kung sino man itong lalapitan ninyo. Okay? Always remember that support, help is always available to us. Okay? Kaya wag lang kayong mahiya na humingi ng tulong. Okay? So, what else? We have transformation. A fresh new way of living emerges. So, parang meron kayong personal transformation na pwedeng gawin sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon. Maybe there are some things or ugali, perspective, no, mga ganon, sa sarili ninyo ngayon na babaguhin ninyo. No, parang you are going to empower yourself sa ngayon, develop yourself more, yung mga ganon. So, personal level yun, nakikita kong pagbabago. Kaya good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.